In Jurek v. Texas, we explore what procedures a state must follow to sentence someone to death constitutionally. The state of Texas accused Jerry Lane Jurek of killing Wendy Adams in the course of trying to kidnap and rape her. Jurek admitted that he choked Adams and threw her in a river. Adams's body was recovered several days later. Under Texas law at the time, first-degree murder was a capital offense if one of 5 aggravating circumstances was present, including if the murder was committed in the commission of kidnapping or rape. If a defendant was convicted of a capital offense, the trial court then conducted a separate sentencing proceeding before the same jury. At this proceeding, the jury had to answer several questions, which, as pertinent here, were: first, whether the evidence established beyond a reasonable doubt that the murder occurred deliberately and with the reasonable expectation that death would result, and second, whether the evidence established beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant would probably commit further acts of violence and pose an ongoing threat to society. At Jurek's sentencing hearing, the state adduced evidence that Jurek had a bad reputation, whereas Jurek adduced evidence that he was a contributing member of society. The jury answered yes to both questions, and the trial judge sentenced Jurek to death. The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert. There, Jurek argued that his death sentence violated the Eighth and 14th Amendments to the federal Constitution.